I don't get it. Are they going to do automatic posting for us or what? I don't really get what is going on. And honestly, truth to be told, since this started, we were supposed to stand up and speak for ourselves, but we relaxed. And the Sunday, how many days left? It's left. It's only 5 days, and even the 5 days is only.
I was for my money. I'm a kwaba. Edbagan and some TV so. One more so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say the money down if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President I measure also. Or text me Mr. President or comment section I measure also. Who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President I measure also sir. Kwa the baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party among you. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Mahama&C0 president. Now also the upper by the Ason Selkebi. And my can you are John the money Mahama the book at Nize Buidi. Ya many and for the Messiah, Dr. Mahama&C0 the NS Assembly few. Now once again, may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say, I'm man your 7 a.m. Ɛyɛ daakye nti na ɛyɛ amanyɔsɛ nyɛ mprempren nti na amanyɔsɛ deɛ woyɛ bia no woyɛ no wadwo sɛ nti daakye bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be wo ho yi it is all your software oye ordinary Ghanaian oye educationist oye medical doctor oye hwanhwani oye once I have opportunity to brother serve public space no, do it with due diligence, respect and absolute clarity. I
don't get it. Are they going to do automatic posting for us or what? I don't really get what is going on. And honestly, truth to be told, since this started, we were supposed to stand up and speak for ourselves, but we relaxed. And the Sunday, how many days left? It's left. It's only 5 days, and even the 5 days is only one day. This is the same thing that is going to happen. It's like we the next young posting. It's more country say I feel enough for posting. No be when BB or better. To see I'm almost done with my degree to start my national service. It is a man who baby I'm better mama and fail me phone for my national service. I feel now me kwako starting national service. Now later in the year, must starting posting. Now I apply. Now I posting baby for not I can hand down for another day. Yen se munu ni abufu tempa no muni ye de no. Yet me afia want to
all this stress, handouts to talk, quizzes itro. Every hand receipt I was bearing MOH. And it's a movie says a knack and nursing fraternity in one. Let us know. Namofa yesika my fankope business be with interest because at this point no, we are really frustrated. Won't you mean be a portal to now a whole country, 2 regions, the whole country, 19 slots for NAC. How does this even make sense? Make us understand. How does this make sense to you? Now we are by catch say, oh fa ye colleagues say no money now school, school fees pay. Every no. Before mama ko ye adwuma do ma to so. Now they make my community akoma me peanuts. Now what threaten me says a man give volunteer and to man just peanuts na. Next recruitment on for me. Make this make sense. Now we will be school at 5 years. Ministers no. Why would your salary SRG a certain allowance? And no the ska wo man mo ayesimi tua moka, right? Sika wo man mu ayesimi tua moka. Taking certain allowance no. Ska wo man mu e ma yesimi tua moka. Taking fuel allowance. Ska wo man yesimi tua moka. Munamu a police ne cars edi mochi a fuel gugu ni nyina mu no. Ska wo hwa yesimi tua moka. But paying the average Ghanaian youth wako school ewie atro exams apase ye entitled to say wokoye adwuma service no, there is no money to pay the individual. but ni colleague on any cotton school no be postino na wo de ono na kwa to community bia kwama ni peanuts na so waka se bia onko obetwen time abere so be post na what be threaten ye say if you don't take the volunteering work na next recruitment here for one can let this make sense enye Ghana na sansem hu we because so let it make sense ehifa na obesimi this ade we ye di ye ehifa because Ghana ha no obi say obi a pe na wo ye since aye ni fi ye nursing recruitment bay and aye basase nursing recruitment bay and aye
postings you know me hu say say di kan ka to ho na nye say prophecy but because said ye omo ye ade ne kan ho asem no and from the way na ye nkofo bi ne edi nkomo no ne enim de ebekọ the time a pharmacy for any started so musu allied health for any kemu I knew nurses it wouldn't be different because obi wo ha what to am say na mpese me post ba ko bi wase o ja we gumani mase MP a whole member of parliament at ton slot man 20,000 Ghana cedis mo ni pa fa obi awe 16 we 17 ntu ya anteba we ya brewa ba sika ne bi ni ho we te se me anka wonya bi mfa ntua demonstration baso esa odu hu jim da bia canes for no mo ye over ahia 2020 referral and 2021 for no mo dosu pa nti se wo so fi se unya bi postings no bi because every me who be enroll nurses or say enroll nurses ye nka ho ana obe ho midwives midwives ye nka ho general nurses so ye nka ho because ene ehin de ne ba ye ene no em say public health for nko a nti unya public health nurse unhu bi posting no bi on be no bi atena so fiti lady ba kwa me ne kasa watena so fiti anadwona refreshes a musu mbe bia ade ne portal ne be 10 am wa create account dada ubi mo yesa create another account ibu kwa log in once yes what you've attempted many times now I lock you out ube say remu no yes no slot ye nim dada so mo de ama mo nkrofo enti no o ye 2020 referral about 2021 na woni mo bia woni capra de betua demonstration we esa odo ho jim enti flyer ni ne omo ye grounds work police normal per date I'm told say hopefully Friday ye di enim ya enti no ho video ya share ma 2020 referral batch and the 2021 referral batch main batch ni say postings na ekoso no yadi kan yes scam onobo akando ne om de ama or de ama nko for that and oba be dada Ghana for be kubie because at the end how come say ube bie at the end of 10 am put me remu 10 to and 10 3 yes no slot go for afa de da enti no always a cockroach the John kind of posting into hu a share mo bia hu bi me say mo mpani for no the date ne beba but we are just a flyer almost say mamu hu say BBC baso hopefully no date ne beba bia watchina but I'm told say by Friday so munya police clearance ne ade say betumi aya enti no be on Ghana mekano ehia wa abraho bi social na papa nurse can be ye can one ba ho because benefit no pe no motiase picketing ne demonstration ne no language o motiase ano no enti fa ho jim bi because at the end of the day no me posting e ebo am emfa me ho ha woni we here on so oba ho tie de be ka ho asem but it's up to you to show up what's in common as it's mon share because posting no a scam.
Dear Wuyi, do you want to be treated as an NDC member, that's a politician, or you want to be treated as a pastor? Dear Wuyi, obi ko kasa si a ebe kase waka say tie na me nipa ya de ngo asra no ye de ntwibini na asra ya on
utiri kwa se kura pastor oduro kwasi ampanyini wo NDC for mu one opposition na ukanya nsasam bon enti aba ni sia NDC mu ai ba ya wadana boa wunim no kure na ukan kwasi asam Ghana ni no watua ni sika otua yi la bia no pa bia autopetro no pa ewia autopetro anyumra autopetro. What do you say? Obviously, Kevin Taylor said he would deport you before wake up. Nina and Kwasi na make us every 1 minute to be a school bus in a mission brony. The system is working 24/7. Kevin Taylor also me Ojimia me ni abrewa tweda nso Ojimia me kwa kofa na yire brony abrewa na kodino. I'm telling you the fact. Oslo me on to me come as a minute, as I come a mobile on the second kunda dada. And once I'm a summer, I would for my mom, Miss Canoma to make about cook, meaning baby or Virginia, which I could be say, I've been Washington, D.C., Washington State. No, my mom, I second kun simple, no be ability. You are more, and this phone was your phone, but no mushroom. Obey disease. Also, meaning to me, which I may mobile kuno.
What is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so any one sanya money in our form it is just so for beside this question well musame out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say
legitimate question
to ask out of ignorance.
Me patcho man kasa he ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word say ignorance me say man kasa me tell on my dia me can say me say my men na some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, as someone I walk on, and just say, and your mabo and cost through. But the walk can want it, or my pony can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will increase, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, oh my, me tell you, and I told Amanda make her say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number, and now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch you say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say petrol about for me. About no, he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go forward there? What you say? And I know some money can say Pulican Ayaba Abama and your man a buff from oh, until the making. Me say, so what you buy be all spoke against say. I was so no mushia. I'm on no mushia, but nanka way my no. The phone chimes or more call a penny say a port wa near man of from Kaka. Yes, I know Mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama Bono, a bathroom. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Or more funny man about how much this one. I buy no critic and other environment. But say individual entity near my so I buy to me petrol.
Is right. So
at the end of
what I say,
the pastor is asking,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Adentina, Sanyama way in every aban na ye ne de wi na se bonten so for no je de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflation rate no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted. But none from the MPP. None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi Kweti as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Agyeta? former foreign affairs minister. You remember Asabi and his wife?